Hey guys, Sean here at K2 Trades. Today I'm going to be going over the trades we took yesterday on Tuesday, May 28, 2019. Looks like we took 3 trades yesterday: a sell position for the Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen, a sell position for the British pound versus the New Zealand dollar, and a sell position for the British pound versus the Japanese yen. We had 3 wins and 0 losses, totaling for a gain of 68 pips for the day. So let's start off with the Swiss franc versus the Japanese yen. And yesterday I sent out that signal at 5:58 a.m. So let's pull that up on the chart. So May 28, 5:58 p.m. So let me go to replay. So let's run it back to that exact time. And then let's mark it so we know exactly where. Alright, so first things first, we're going to have to determine the overall trend and direction of price, and we do that by looking at where price is at the time and whether it is below or above the Ichimoku cloud. So we look at the 30-minute, 1 hour, 2 hour, and 4 hour chart, and we make sure that everything's all aligned. So on the 30-minute, price is below the Ichimoku cloud. It's also below on the 60-minute. It's also below on the 2 hour and the 4 hour. So this demonstrates a downtrend, and when we are looking at an overall downtrend, we're only looking to enter sell positions. So let's maximize the 30 minutes since we already know the trend and direction of price. And the next thing is we have to wait for our K2 trades indicator to provide a sell signal for us to make an entry. So let's move forward. Sell signal is right there. So what we do here is we enter on the close of the next candle, but let's just follow our signal that I sent out to make things simple. So the Swiss franc entry was at 8.785. So let's plot that on the chart. We took a short position about 5:58 a.m., so about 6 a.m. And then our entry point was at 108.785. Our target was 108.585, and our stop loss was set at 108.985. Alright, so we were looking to make a 20 pip profit on this trade on a 1-to-1 risk to reward ratio. So let's let it play out. So next candle is a green candle. Looks like it's pulling back. It's bouncing around. Oh, that was quick. So we won this trade in about an hour and a half. So 20 pips. Going back to our normal analysis, try to keep it simple. So let's see. So this is a winner, and we made a plus 20 pip gain on this trade. And then if we were trading one standard lot, that'd be equivalent to $10 per pip. So 20 pips times $10 equals $200 in profit. And we made that in about an hour and a half. Not bad. Now let's move on to the next one. So our next trade was the British pound versus the New Zealand dollar. So let me pull that up. Go back to our charts. It's the British pound versus the New Zealand dollar. And I sent that trade at, let's see, 8:48 a.m. So let's put that on the chart. So May 28 at, was it 8:48? So it was sometime around here. So let's plot that on the chart. And then going back to step 1, we have to determine the overall trend. And we do that by looking at the Ichimoku clouds on all 4 time frames. So on the 30 minutes, below the cloud, 1 hour it's below the cloud, 2 hour below the cloud, and 4 hour below the cloud. So similar to our previous analysis, this is demonstrating a downtrend, and therefore we're only going to be looking for sell signals. So let's maximize the 30 minute since we make the entries on the 30 minute. And we took the position right over here. So I'm going to go back to replay, and let's start from right there. Alright. So we entered about this time, and our entry was set at 1.93483. Our target was set at 1.93283, and our stop loss was set at 1.93683. So it looks like we were going for the same thing, 20 pip gain on this trade. So let's let it play out. Okay, so the first candle went down, traced a little bit, it's bouncing around. Alright, it looks like it's getting close to our target. Bounced up, it's bouncing around still. Oh, there we go, winner. So this took about this took quite some time. It took 9 hours to hit our target, but I mean, a win's a win. No matter how long it takes, as long as we win, that's all that really matters. So let's run that same analysis we just did previously. Let's see, winner for a plus 20 pip gain, and one standard lot equals $10 per pip. So same analysis as before, $20, I mean 20 pips times $10 equals a $200 profit. Not bad. Now let's go on to the next one. So the next one was the British pound versus Japanese yen. So let's pull that up on the chart. Close this. Alright. So let's see the alert that I sent out. So I sent that out at 9:03 a.m. Let's pull that up on the chart, about 9 o'clock. So May 28 at 9 a.m., which was about right here. So let's mark that on the chart. And then let's go back and determine the overall trend. So on the 30 minutes below the cloud, 1 hour it's below the cloud, 2 hours below the cloud, 4 hours below the cloud. So this demonstrates the downtrend. We only take sell signals in the situation. So let's maximize this since we know which direction we're taking. And let me put the replay back to this area so we can play it out. Alright, cool. So let's place our position right here. And our entry was 138.688. Our target was 138.408, and our stop loss was set at 138.968. And this was actually a big move. We actually tried to make 28 pips on this. I usually don't go for that big of a movement, but it looks like we were on a hot streak. Since we won 2 trades, I decided to take a bigger risk. So let's let this play out. Alright, so the next candle retraced a lot actually. It's kind of scary. Comes back to the entry. It's coming down, it's coming down. Wow, it came straight down. Man, how perfect was that? Went straight down. Alright, so this took about not that long. 3 hours and 30 minutes. So in 3 hours and 30 minutes, we made a 28 pip gain. So winner for plus 28 pips. Following the previous analysis, if we took one standard lot, that would equal $10 per pip. So 28 pips times $10 equals $280 profit. Not bad for a 3-hour trade. Alright guys, so those were the 3 trades we took yesterday. Hope you guys like this video. I'm going to try to keep making these every day. It seems like you guys like it since we got a decent amount of views today. So Go ahead and leave a comment if you guys have any questions. You can email me at info@k2trades.com. And yeah, so if you guys haven't already, please like, comment, and share this video. And if don't forget to subscribe so you can be notified when we post our next video. And that's about it, guys. Till next time, have a nice night.